That twilight firefly with the bright yellow flare, everybody sees it. It's part of us.
The blinking lights of fireflies or lightning bugs are summer's gift to people everywhere. But their gleaming display is actually a complex language of light that still puzzles scientists.
So little is known about biology of fireflies. What on earth are they doing out there? Why should some little beetles with a brain smaller than the head of a pin be wired to do these things in such a complex fashion?
What we do know is that fireflies are beetles, and they produce their own light to communicate with each other and with predators. The firefly glow is a chemical reaction triggered by oxygen in the firefly's light organ. The fire is a cold light that's nearly 100% efficient because, unlike our light bulbs, none of the energy is wasted on heat. Chemicals in fireflies taste awful, and the gleam signals predators to stay away. At the University of Florida, Gainesville, Mark Branham and James Lloyd study firefly communication, behavior, and evolution.
There are more species of fireflies in Florida than in any other state.
In fact, there are over 2,000 species of fireflies worldwide, with distinct flash patterns, time, shapes, and colors. In most cases, male fireflies use flash patterns to attract females so they can mate and lay eggs. The females wait on the grass and respond back if they're interested.
Females are going to be picking males on the basis of certain sorts of features. How well the nervous system is functioning might be one thing.
For the most part, the secret flash codes of fireflies depend on the amount of light in the sky.
Fireflies partition up the evening into certain blocks of time. It's like acts of a play. Different species come out one after another. They don't have a watch, so all of this is truly gauged on how dark it is.
The most common species in the United States is the Photinus pyralis, or Big Dipper firefly. It begins flashing at dusk in a yellow-green J-shaped pattern every 6 seconds to court the females below. With each firefly species communicating at different times with unique codes and different colors, there are many variations and outliers. Some fireflies synchronize their flashes, others don't glow at all. The female Photurus has a more sinister use for her flash.
What these females do in one of their primary methods of hunting is to imitate the flash responses of females of other species, call these males into them with these phony signals, and then they eat them.
Even as we learn more about firefly communications, their lights are going out. Excess street lighting, pesticides, and development could all be impacting a firefly's ability to find mates and reproduce. You can help scientists learn about their populations and activities by counting fireflies and joining the Firefly Watch.
Fireflies can tell us a lot about how animals communicate, and the thing I like most about fireflies is that on a dark summer night, the only thing females can assess about a male is their flash.
In a flash, the language of lightning bugs.